Passat door lock issues. This is the passenger side, which works fine. When I open the door, the light comes on. Go to the driver's side. Open the door, no light comes on. So this latch thinks the door is shut all the time. Furthermore, we'll hit the lock button. Now this rear door locked correctly. That one is still unlocked, although the LED is blinking like the car is locked. But you can open it right up. Hit unlock. We're gonna do it with the key. So with the key it beeped. Now the door is locked. Does unlock. But then if I click the lock again, it doesn't lock it with the remote. It sounds like it does, but it really doesn't. So lock, put the key in it. See? That time didn't do it. This time it did. So this latch is it's definitely temperamental, to say the least. As far as the window goes, there it is. She rolls down nicely and rolls up as well. Let's see if it locked it this time. Yes, it did. So it's like an on and off. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And the problem is that door latch inside the door.